This tip, don't mix exhaust, this tip is our most challenged tip. We get beat up about this tip. Many installers say, I've never had a problem, been doing it for 2 decades. Lucky? I don't know. Here's what I do know. Airflow Dynamics says it's wrong. The install sheet says it's wrong. Homeowners are going to read that one day and put air vent in the middle. And we're going to be in the middle between a frustrated homeowner and an angry contractor who's waiting for his final payment. If we're put in the middle of that conversation, I promise we're going to keep it brief. And we're going to point to the install sheet and get out of the conversation. But we will point to the install sheet.